Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. Not a long update because we haven't really seen too much movement here today on the ADA chart. I go to the 1 hour chart, maybe we see a little bit more here, but really I think my view is that we have a very similar wave count now, like for example Bitcoin and Ethereum, at least here in the very short term. Overall, very important is that unless we really go substantially above 41.1 cents, I think that any upside here is only within a larger correction in an A, B, C pattern, which would then lead to further downside afterwards. That just has to do with the, let's say, the general structure of this chart. It would be ideal to go down to maybe 29 cents, 30 cents to that 88.7% FIB level. Currently also what you can see, we don't really see a lot of impulsive price action to the upside. The reason, or because of this, I'm going to move this wave 2 now here. That's what I did for Ethereum and Bitcoin as well, just because first of all we are holding critical support here, so we are holding this low at around 31.2 cents. Yeah, this is also the key support level, and as long as we're holding that, we can focus generally on higher. First of all, I have to, obviously we talked about that I think earlier today, that we broke out of this trend line. No, I think when I made my video today earlier, we were still holding the trend line, but in line with what Ethereum and Bitcoin did, they broke the trend line as well. So I'm going to take that out. It's not relevant anymore. And it now just makes more sense to consider this as a larger A, B, like an overshooting wave B, and then we're coming down in C. And to be honest, if you look at the C wave, you can see a wave 1, 2, 3, maybe here the 4, and we should come down once more. But then we get really, really close to the low of the, or to the beginning of the wave 1. So it would possibly become a double bottom or something of some sorts, unless this is a WXY pattern. So WX and then the Y in 3 waves, and we could start from here. Again, the sub counts are not too relevant here. Important is that we're holding very, very important support levels, and important would be to hold the 78.6% FIB level at 32 cents. Below that level, invalidation will get more likely, and the invalidation will occur as soon as we break below. It's actually 31.4 cents. Below that level, I think, well, we're breaking the low, this low at least, yeah. There is still here the low from the 9th of November, which is actually at, where were we, 30.9 cents. And if we go below this level, then I think we could reach, first of all, strong support around the 29 to 30 cent level. And then, well, if we break below that level, then I think we could reach, 20 to 15 cents, absolutely possible. But for now, as long as we're holding this, we can focus at least short term on higher. It's nothing particularly I would trade, to be honest, at the moment. Because first of all, in terms of upside potential, there are more reliable charts. For example, even Ethereum is, for example, more reliable in my opinion. And for Ethereum, there's even a chance that we have put in a more substantial low. Here for ADA at the moment, my view would still be down. Yeah, and even the move up that we had here ended up being probably only a B wave. But if this is going to become a third wave of C, which should be quite strong, should be quite impulsive, then it should either start now or, okay, maybe one more low, but then we should really start. If we don't start then we are probably going to see those lows break. And that's pretty much everything I can tell you at the moment about ADA. There is not really a lot of movement that has occurred. There is maybe one more wave count. We could consider all of this here as some kind of a triangle, a larger triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then come down. That's valid as long as we are now staying below 34.4 cents and staying above 31.4. Then you have a larger triangle pattern, which is normally counted A, B, C, D, E. So here A, B, C, D, E. And we would then come down always to the opposite side of the E wave. In this scenario, I would like to see at least one more leg up whilst staying below the 34.5 cent level, because it could be that we've done the A, we've done the B, we've done the C, maybe we've done the D already, and the E wave would then be the next one, which would, again, it should stay below the B wave. And then if we then come down, first indication that this triangle is breaking is a break below the 32.3 3 cent level here. And then the next indication or confirmation actually will be if we break below 31.4 cents. So yeah, not too exciting here at the moment, the price region, the price development on the ADA chart. I'll keep you updated certainly. Some more good news, the MCO ADA stake pool keeps growing. We now have over 60 delegators, which is amazing in just a few days, not even a week. The stake pool has been online. And if you are interested in supporting MCO, More Crypto Online, to enable us to do better, more videos, more content, and to grow, then yeah, maybe you also consider to delegate to our stake pool. We now already have a live stake of 1.66 million ADA, which is just amazing within not even a week. I think from the next, just now the next epoch has started. So an epoch, I think it's wouldn't need to double check. It's epoch here 376 has started, but I think we need to wait until the next epoch to generate rewards, because the large delegations kicked in or are kicking in from epoch 377. So that just has to do when someone is delegating and from which epoch then the delegation or the stake will actually get relevant for the production of blocks. So that will then eventually generate the rewards as well. So yeah, I think we need to wait one more epoch to really see rewards kick in. That would be 377 then, but it's highly exciting, and yeah, it would be great, or at least we would appreciate if you consider delegating with the More Crypto Online stake pool. But then generally, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.